Your north is the 0 degrees. Yeah, going to west man siya. So from north, from north, mag-measure mo 18 degrees, 26 minutes going to the west. Like that. So i-plot ninyo, ilahos na ninyo og plot ka na nga katong line nga 18 degrees from the north. And then you measure, so it says there, it is 31.63 meters long. So from 1, katong first nga point, mag-measure mo 31.63 meters. So that's where your 2 is. Later. Mo i-show na ni Architect Dante how to draw it.
Okay, so basically, we have this description. Okay, so this 1 and 2 sa kasabutan ni is our mga muhon. Okay, okay, these are your lot points, point 1 and point 2. Okay, same here. So point 2, point 3, point 3, point 4, point 4, and then back to point 1. Okay, so basically enclosed siya sa tuwang lot. Okay, north 18 degrees, 26 minutes. Okay, you should know na how to read this already. Okay, west. So N 26 NW ganyan na siya. So from north here